This is not a venting episode though. So day 12, what do we have here? Day 12 is productivity patches. So how to update your broken systems. So what if we treated our productivity systems, our habits, our routines like software? So you recognize this on your screens, di ba? Software update available, a list of bugs, bug fixes, and security patches, sort of like that. And then you hit update now, and then you forget about it. We wouldn't scream at our phone, "Why are you broken nga? Unsa man ni? Anong broken man ka? Anong guba man ka?" 'Di ba? No, we just apply the patch. Yet that's exactly what we do with ourselves. We run on ancient buggy versions of our routines and say, well, productivity underscore system underscore version point 0.8 from 2019. And then you're wondering why we're crashing, right?